Hey everyone, so welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to go through and just show you something that I sent out on Sunday evening, and I'm going to show you how people are catching these pips. So I sent this out on the 4th of September. You can see here a few people asking for some of my potential setups for this coming week, so I've marked up this one for EURGBP. Personally see a double top on the H1, and the best scenario for me would be to see a push above Asia. Look for confirmations. This would time when the trap move on a Monday too, then drop it like it's hot, let's say. So as you can see on this here, and I have obviously got the chart on, I was saying you've got this double bottom here. We had a strong push up, then we had this consolidation period, which we're going to call level 1, push up, level 2, push up, and then we started to see this retracement. We've seen it tap back in, double top on the H1, the H1 chart here, EURGBP, and then I was saying this is where I wanted to see it drop down into this like Asian range box, which is what this is. You want to see that push above Asia range on the Monday, and then we're going to drop down. So bear that in mind. So this is what happened. So this was Sunday. You can see down the bottom, the 2nd of September. Sorry, that was Friday. So the 4th of September, you can see down the bottom. That's 10 o'clock when the markets open. So I sent this out on Sunday before obviously the market opened. And then we can see we move into the 5th. So this was sent out on the 4th. And this is what I was explaining that I think we would see. So obviously my arrows are a little bit off because I couldn't work out where Asia was at the time. But this box here is Asia session. And we want to see that push above it, drop down and continue on down. This gave 2 clear entries using our rules and our strategies. So if I was to show you this and tell you that people were catching these on the sell wick here, I was already anticipating that this move would happen. Stop goes above the high. If I'm targeting where I think it's going, that's a 6-to-1 trade, right? Obviously, trail stops, take profits, do whatever you want along the way. That's absolutely fine. But then it gave another entry on this trade here as well. We've got the push above. And this is all covered in our strategies that we teach. But this is going to show you how to actually interpret the market, how to read it, how to understand what exactly is going on. So there's a 6-to-1 trade potential there. Even on this, I think it goes for maybe a 2-to-1. Yeah, look, 2-to-1, if you're happy with that, then you just target 2-to-1 trades in a day. I'd be happy with 2% a day. That's just one currency pair. That's just one example. And our results are posted in the public Discord group, so please feel free to go and join our free Discord. If you're brand new to trading, you can also go to our website, which is relentlesshub.com, and there's a pop-up that comes up and you can get the free starter pack for Forex. If you just want to know in layman's terms what the hell is it, that'll talk you through it. And we're not a company that's going to spam you, because I personally hate spam, so I don't do it to my customers because I hate it. So feel free to do that. As ever, this video is just for educational purposes only, and you need to do your own research. Trading the financial markets can be risky if you don't know what you're doing and you don't use correct risk management. And the full disclaimer is on our website, so please visit that as well, relentlesshub.com. The full disclaimer is at the bottom of the website. But this is just an example of how I'm forecasting these moves on a Sunday. I'm forecasting them every single day, what I think I'm going to see on the next day. I got to react to this market because price dropped down here and then it did do the opposite. Not the opposite, but then once it's done this, I'm reanalyzing, okay, what's happening next? Is it going to continue down? Are we going to see a correction? Are we going to go back up? Was this just a reset? So all these things are going on in the back of my head. It's not just this is Sunday and that's done. It's an ongoing process. And, I sent out Euro AUD as well, saying I think we could see a similar thing. That actually corrected and continued on higher, which again I discussed with some members on Wednesday's session. I explained that we were seeing what looked like it to be a correction, so that's fine. But just wanted to give you an example of exactly how we read these markets. And if you are interested, you want any more information, or you want to have a chat to one of us and discuss how we trade or anything like that, then by all means please drop us a message. We're on social media, go to our website, you'll find all our social links and stuff. But overall, our main goal is to just help as many people get funded as possible, and start actually winning at trading. So thanks for listening, and see you on the next video.